When it comes to baking quick breads, banana breads, lemon loaves, the best thing to do is to prepare your loaf pan so that your loaf won't stick, as well as an easy removal once it's done baking. You're going to need a loaf pan, some parchment paper, as well as some nonstick spray. You want to prepare this ahead of time because when it comes to these quick breads, you want to make sure that the batter goes right into the pan and your oven is nice and preheated so that you get it baking as soon as possible. So the first thing that I've done is I've cut my parchment paper to line the bottom and the sides of the loaf pan. Next thing I'm going to need to do is to spray my loaf pan. You want to spray it evenly, lightly, and the reason why you're spraying it is so that the parchment paper is going to stick nicely. Now, parchment paper has a tendency to roll up or curl up when it is bought in a roll. So you want your curl side to go down so that your parchment paper doesn't kind of curl on you. So this is looking good. If you have a lot of excess, then you can kind of cut it, but you definitely want at least 1 inch so that you have handles to lift up the baked loaf when it's done baking. If you have any questions, please visit our website or call our answer line.